Ready? Come on. No, move over this way. Ready?
Stop!
Okay.
Throw the ball! Throw the ball! Throw it!
Ready? Foot.
Oh, Justin was here.
Oh. Okay.
With the ball. Right now.
Oh, are you angry?
Yep. Don't, I'm not.
What? What's the matter? Are you mad at me?
Yeah, because when I get for the ball.
Am I not playing the right
I'm
way?
doing like this.
I'm doing like what?
Like this.
What am I doing? Am I teasing you?
Yeah, like this, and you're not throwing the ball!
You super mad?
Yeah, because you're not throwing it.
So what should I do?
Don't take a picture of me.
Oh, no cameras, no cameras?
No. No cameras, I said! Let me don't come again.
What?
Don't let me come again to you. Right now. Stop!
You don't...
No. Mom, no cameras! No cameras allowed, only balls!
But I want to show this to you one day when you get older.